Very important na i-submit mo to this committee yung unedited recording para kailangan natin yun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, how
Yes.
can we be sure if the video that is going to be presented before the committee is totally unedited?
We will...
Knowing this person who has a lot of criminal records, Mr.
Well,
Chair.
we will seek the expertise of the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group. Alam nila yan kung yan ay pinagputol-putol o unedited yan. So, yung buong recordings mo, okay lang sa'yo kung papuntahin ko sa'yo yung PNP Cybercrime Group para to retrieve the recording?
Parang hindi naman po maganda yung sinasabi ni ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada patungkol sa akin. Para namang ako talagang hinuhusugahan ako'y may kaso pa lang at hindi pa napapatunayan sa hukuman. Hindi kagaya po ang ating butihing senador na-convict na po. Ay wag naman po.
Alam mo, Mr. Morales, alam mo, Mr. Morales,
Senator Jinggoy, please.
huwag mong pakikalaman yung kaso ko. Problema ko yun. Yung kaso mo ang ayusin mo.
Your Honor, ang kaso ko po, Your Honor, hinaharap ko naman po.
Please,
At ako
Mr. Morales,
Yes, Your Honor.
nakita ko sa isang interview mo na sinabi mo na ako raw ay hindi marunong mag-imbestiga. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Yun po opinion ko bilang investigador dahil inaasahan ko po inimbita po ako rito as resource person.
Alright.
At mistula ako na ituring na akusado.
I will have to respect your opinion, but my track record in investigating here in all public hearings will attest to it. Okay? Now, the second question. Sinabi mo sa isang interview na sayang ang binabayad ng taong bayan sa akin.
Yun po yung opinion ko, Your Honor. Dahil doon sa nakikita kong takbo ng
Bakit sayang ang bayad?
Your Honor.
Dahil ako, ginagawa ko, tinutupad ko ang aking sinumpaan tungkulin bilang inyong senador at kine-question mo ba ang 15 milyong Pilipino na bumoto sa akin? Dahil sinabi mo, sayang ang binabayad nila sa akin.
Your Honor, yun po yung opinion ko, gawa ng ako po ay isang investigador. Ang investigador po, nag-extract po ng information, nag-elicit po ng information upang makuha mismo yung yung ninanais doon sa subject matter. Kagaya po ng ginagawa natin ngayon. Ako po ay nagsasalita lang bilang sa aking opinion at bilang doon sa aking karanasan bilang isang investigador. Kapag ako po ay kaharap ng isang iniimbestigahan, talagang sinisikap ko po na makuha ko yung sustansya na kinakailangan patungkol po dun sa hinahangad kong resulta. Ako po, hindi po kailanman na namemersonal o kumakaladkad o naghuhusga sa pagkatao ng kahit na sino, lalo na yung mga naimbestigahan ko talagang mga kriminal.
Yan ang opinion mo. Ito naman opinion ko. Okay. Meron akong kopya ng desisyon ng Civil Service Commission affirming the decision of PIDEA Director General Arturo Cacdac, finding you guilty of dishonesty, grave misconduct, and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service. The Civil Service Commission ruled that, and I quote, "It is undeniable, based on Morales' admission, that he concealed or distorted the truth about factual circumstance of the arrest of Chua and Miao. Morales' earlier statement that the arrest was a result of a lawful arrest and later, take note, retracted the same is telltale proof of dishonesty. His action, among others, of planting evidence is likewise an act of dishonesty because it is contrary to the fact that no illegal drugs were seized nor under the possession of the accused." Ang desisyon nito ng Civil Service Commission ay kinatigan ng Korte Suprema noong January 20, 2016. Doon po sa kaso na yun, ikaw mismo ang umamin na you have planted evidence. Paano ka namin ngayon paniniwalaan sa mga sinasabi mo? Hindi nakapagtataka, gawa-gawa mo din ang mga alleged leak documents. Ano po masasabi niyo, Mr. Morales?
Your Honor, hindi ko po makita yung relevance ng sinasabi niyong desisyon ng Civil Service Commission. Ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito, Your Honor,
I am,
yung-
wait. I am testing your credibility, Mr. Morales. All right? You have string of cases filed against you, and one of these that I am mentioning right now is the decision of the Civil Service Commission, which was affirmed by the Supreme Court. All right?
Your Honor, yung pong desisyon ng civil service na sinasabi nyo ay walang kaugnayan sa pinag-uusapan natin dito. Ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito ay yung investigasyon po na ginawa ko
Bakit ayaw
noong
mo sagot?
2012.
Bakit ka lumilihis sa mga katanungan ko?
Your
Huwag kang
Honor.
lumihis.
No, Your Honor, hindi po ako lumilihis.
Oh.
Sapagkat, ang pinag-uusapan po natin...
Is it
Your Honor,
true that you planted evidence? But according to the Civil Service Commission decision, and it was affirmed by the Supreme Court that you planted evidence.
No, Your Honor. At yung...
You mean to say that you disagree? Of course, you will disagree to the with the decision of the Civil Service and the affirmation of the Supreme Court. How can you disagree with the
No, Your
decision of the
Honor,
Supreme
hindi
Court?
po yan yung istorya, Your Honor. At ito, Your Honor, yung sinasabi nyo to discredit my credibility, Your Honor. Ang pinag-uusapan dito, ang issue, Your Honor, is yung pagiging investigador ko. Hindi po ako akusado, Your Honor.
Discrediting your,
Mr. Chairman.
I am not discrediting
Wag kayo
I am testing your credibility.